You Nexus, huh? I design your eyes.
If only you could see what I've seen with your eyes. Questions?
I don't know answers.
Alright, I'm gonna get rid of this latch and the clip because I just prefer them not there. So yeah, let's get into that. Got to use a T8 Torx. I recently got these Squid Industries, these little keychain ones, and they look really cool. Want to make sure I'm on the 8 setting. You don't want to use the wrong one. You want to make sure you're on the right side of what you're taking off. It's always good to just double check, make sure that you're using the right sides. You want to have it in there good. You don't want to kind of have it half-assed. So make sure you're seated good. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. This is a fresh knife with probably some Loctite of some sort on there. So I want to be really careful not to strip this thing. And that's hopefully what's going to happen here. I'm going to break the seal. Yeah, everything's fine. Let's get this one now. Yeah, no problem. Okay, these are cool for like quick tightening when you're just a little loose. But for something like this where I'm trying to come all the way out with it, now that they're loose, it's kind of easier to do that rather than mess around with my keys and everything flopping around. But for a quick fix, just to tighten your things when you're flipping, these are cool. And they're great keychains. But for this kind of work, I prefer this pen style is what I like. It stores all your different sizes, and it even has a regular Phillips and flathead, and the 3 main ones that you would find on most knives. T6, T8, and T10. So these are out. I'm trying to get to this guy. Apparently this voids the warranty, but that's okay for me. There goes the latch. Yeah, then you want to take out this guy right here. On this side. See, it's a little bit of surgery that you got to do here. There may be a couple marks or something left on your knife. There's going to be anyway, is the way I look at it. Has to happen eventually, so why not get it over with? There it is. There's the first one. And there's the second one. Thank God that pocket clip is off. So the back spacer came out. Got to make sure to put that back in the right way. I have some purple paracord for a lanyard. Let me just get a fair amount here just to start off with. And I'm gonna make sure this is going in the right way. And you just gotta kind of eye it and mess around with it until you get it. You need to pull like maybe one strand out of the center of your paracord to make it a little thinner. Now I'm gonna take this guy. There it is. So make sure it's all seated good. I didn't have to loosen this because it was a little tight and I like it. I don't want to break the seal of the pivot screws yet. I'd rather keep this all together and not mess with that yet. Go backwards a little as soon as you hear it click, and you'll get a grab if you're just patient and don't just jam it in there. So this is a little method using the pressure against each other. They are tight now. And left, no marks. Now if I can remember how to tie this guy, because I don't want it big. I want it small and out of the way, but I want it to be able to clip, but it also tells me which is my bite handle. Get some scissors, just cut it right about there. Gonna burn them down. Kind of melt it to itself. And get it as kind of as pretty as you can. And let her dry a moment. Little nub. Pocket clip off. Latch off. We'll keep it shut. It's just there. I like it better than the latch. It stays out of the way. There, look. And that pocket clip's not in the way. The latch is not stopping it. Now it's gonna feel much better. No tap. Do that. It sounds a lot better without the latch too. Listen to it now. That's that satisfying replicant sound.
I should also mention that I got this BRS hyper oil, which I haven't done yet because it's been seeming fine.
Drop there, drop there. Drop there, drop there.
Better now? Maybe? I don't know. Feels still the same. Anyway, after all that, I decided to do it again and make it red so it stood out a little more. I feel like now this is mine. I've been flipping it a bunch, so little tap.